Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Lighthouse 99. Today I have come up with a new topic that is relevant to every interior designer students and junior workers. If you are not a student or junior workers in this field, you can listen it for to understand who is an interior designer and how they work. This is also my intention to raise this topic. Watch video till the end to know better. I hope you will enjoy it. Every student has some question in mind while getting admission in this degree. And even after completing this degree, some students are scared about this job. So let's move on to the questions. But before that, let's pursue what is the short definition of an interior designer. Interior design is the art and science of enhancing the interior of a building to achieve a healthier and more aesthetically pleasing environment for the people using the space. An interior designer is someone who plans, researches, coordinates and manages such enhancement projects. Now let's move on to the questions. Question 1. Where do most interior designers work? They work for interior designer firm, architectural firm and the design department of large industry and institute. Some have their own businesses like us. Interior designers often specialize in homes, hospitals, hotels or banks. Second question. What inspired you to become an interior designer? Interior designers need to be creative and have a technical skill set. Our education, qualification and license combined with the knowledge of our life safety and budget lead to designing an inspiring space. Interior spaces can make a difference in how life is experienced. Interior designers are constantly learning, improving their knowledge base and recreating themselves and their designs. Our profession requires continuous education and mindful research. Interior designers work in hand with architects and engineers on a daily basis in full service firm. They always pay attention to details and know how to combine details to create beautiful and interesting results. We have collaboration skills that make the magic happen. Question 3. Is interior design a best for career? Interior design is a growing industry with a good job prospect and a good salary with hard work and a little ingenuity. It is one of the ways in which an art student or aspiring artist can pursue a practical career with a worldwide demand. Market for interior designing in India is all set to observe new and aspiring talent. Due to the rising significance of interior design, this profession has become one of the best ever emergent field in India. Job opportunities are immense in both private and public sector for a qualified interior designer. Question 4. What skills required to be an interior designer? Ability to deal with technical details, scientific aptitude, drawing aptitude, analytical mind, visual sensitivity, color sense, ability to work in given budget, good communication skill, knowledge of textures, materials and trends. Last and important question, that is maths required for interior design? The scope of interior architecture is larger and so it requires technical knowledge. That's why you will have to study maths. Well, finally I found this kind of question to answer, but I didn't mean to scare you if you are interested in interior design profession. But basically yes, it is hard and there is nothing easy, but if you are happy and enjoy while working with it, then and then only it's a very fun measure. Now I hope you have understood the informative things about interior design studies and work. So now it's time for students to choose their right profession for their future job. And on the other hand, for junior workers, it's time to work with the passion to succeed in this field.